Have you ever wondered why so many smart people, engineers, doctors, even MBAs, end up living paycheck to paycheck? It's not because they don't earn enough. It's because nobody taught them how money really works. But today, we're changing that for you. Welcome to BrainBob, your go-to channel for mastering money and business. In this series, we'll uncover real strategies, case studies, and money lessons that schools forgot to teach us. Let's begin with the core problem. Why do most people struggle with money despite working so hard? Here's the truth. Earning more doesn't automatically mean saving more. In fact, studies show that 60% of urban Indian professionals save less than 15% of their income. Take Akash and Ramesh. Both earn Rs 80,000 per month. Akash spends Rs 70,000 on EMIs, dining, gadgets. Feels rich but saves nothing. Ramesh lives below his means, invests Rs 20,000 per month, and builds an emergency fund. 5 years later, Akash is still stuck in the rat race. Ramesh has over Rs 15 lakhs invested and peace of mind. Most people fall into what we call the lifestyle trap. You earn more, you spend more, you save the same or less. And with no savings, one emergency can wipe out your financial life. Only 27% of Indians have any form of retirement planning. 8 out of 10 young professionals use credit to fund lifestyle expenses. So here's your first actionable step. Track your spending this week. Use free apps like Walnut, YNAB, or even Google Sheets. Awareness is the first step to freedom. And remember, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. In the next episode, we'll show you exactly how to budget your income using the 50-30-20 rule, plus some real-life Indian examples. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. This journey has just begun.